I need charges when I get home. It's at like 19% battery. Oh, okay. Yep. There.
So sea urchin, mussels.
Oh, I don't see it.
Starfish and sea cucumbers.
Okay. Starfish, sea cucumbers. Is that what they look like? Sea cucumbers look like, Mom? Let me guys know. You just see rocks. That fish looks like it's stuck.
Oh my goodness. Aria, look at that funny fish.
Look in the top.
Oh my goodness. I guess it's not stuck after all or something.
No.
Where's starfish?
There's a big one over there.
Whoa. I'm getting a lot of good shots here. What is that?
That pink round bulby thing?
Yeah.
That's a sea cucumber.
Oh.
Look at this one. Sea.
Oh, I see another starfish.
There's a starfish and sea anemones. See the big crab that's hiding underneath
Oh yeah,
the
I see it
rock
now,
there?
yeah. I'm getting a lot of good shots here.
Yeah. And
This
there's-
camera, look through it. It actually looks really
Yeah.
good.
Remember, try to keep your hands steady.
Yes, Mom.
Focus.
What is that over there? Forget.
Which with the mussels on the
Yeah.
rocks there, those are mussels.
Oh. I know those are mussels, but what is that?
Barnacles.
Oh, barnacle. Barnacle. Can you say barnacle? Barnacle.
Barnacles. Let's go back up.
Oh, wait.